Hi Scorpios, welcome back. This is going to be your special reading for the next 24 hours. So, today we will be picking cards from different decks for your relationship, career, and your oracle guidance. So, Scorpios, we will pick one card from this deck for your relationship, and from this deck for your career, and from this deck for your oracle guidance. So, if this reading resonates, if you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. And Scorpios, I request you to watch the reading till the end because at some point of the reading, you will get the clarity you are expecting today. So, first for your relationship, regeneration. So, this card just means that in your love or in your circumstances, you are going to see a powerful change happening. Maybe there is another opportunity waiting for you, a second chance. And maybe you felt that whatever was long gone, you lost someone or you missed that relationship. But today, something is reviving, and it is reviving in a much stronger form. And whatever you felt was the failure or loss, today it is something better is coming, and there is a rebirth happening in your relationship. So, a separation or um, end of a relationship is not the end of things. So, there is life after a loss, love after a separation, and in this moment, you are radiating that regenerative life force. So, you're attracting a new partnership today. You have that laws of attraction working for you. So, maybe if you are ready for a new connection, if you have positive intentions about your love situation, you wish for someone, you are dreaming about a beautiful relationship, and that is what is going to come towards you. So, you must welcome this new chance, a new path opening right in front of you, a new person coming towards you, and this person will be uh, much better than what you dreamt of, and it is another chance for you to show your love and share your life with them. So you must welcome this destiny, that beautiful destiny that is going to unfold in your relationship. So you are seeing another chance, a second chance, another opportunity. Maybe for some of you, if you truly love someone and this person is away from you, this person is separated from you, they are definitely thinking of you, Scorpios, and they are coming for you. And there is another chance for a rebirth, a new relationship flowering between you both. Maybe you knew each other, but you have changed a lot. This person has changed a lot through whatever experiences you have in your life. So, you both are a different person today, and there is a chance that this love will work. So, that is the reading with these cards, with this card. Sorry, guys, with this card for your relationship. So, let's see for your career. We have a crystal spirit card. So, this card just means that in your work circumstances, we often feel um, we often feel that it is not right to talk about ourselves, about our wishes and plans, and we may feel a little embarrassed to tell the truth. But today, we must start expressing ourselves for whatever we truly want or whatever we truly desire for ourselves. So, we must express ourselves in a loving and a honorable way. So, that way, in your business or financial dealings, when you tell your truth, people will listen to it, and you will see that your circumstances are according to your wishes and expectations, and whatever you desire, that prosperity and abundance is coming towards you. So, the same way, when you speak your truth, you must also be open to others' suggestions and ideas. When they are speaking their truth, you must be willing to listen to them carefully, setting aside your defensiveness or uh, that judgmental nature of yours, and listening to them, listening to their truth is going to help you today, and it is going to help you build a firm foundation in your career. So, you must speak your truth of your heart, whatever you desire, and plan for your future, Scorpio. So, that is the energy with this card. So, now we will see what is the oracle guidance. The 12 Dancing Princess, enchantment. So, maybe in your life, you have certain goals for yourself. You are working towards those goals and plans. And maybe in order to achieve those goals, you are sacrificing something on your part. Is it really those goals are those goals really worthy enough for you to make such big sacrifices? You must think within yourself, Scorpios. Is it truly necessary for you to do that? So, today, you must think of yourself. Think whether it is needed for you to make these decisions, some sacrifices, or some difficulties you are facing to achieve something. You must think within yourself deeply whether you need it, because circumstances are changing for you, Scorpios. You are seeing things from a different perspective. You are seeing things with more clarity today, and you will find a worthy partner, someone who matches up your expectations and those dream qualities. So you must wait for that right time, and you need to adapt yourself wisely today. That is going to help you a lot in your relationship and in your career circumstances, Scorpios. And you are going to find true friendship today, the one you will cherish, the one you will love. So, that is the energy with these cards for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, Scorpios. Thank you, Scorpios. I will see you next time. Bye, guys.